Hi friends, today we are going to learn one of the most important configuration file in Linux user account administration, that is etc passwd. Actually, I made this topic in 2-3 videos to make understand to people even new to Linux. One more single video will be prepared with a brief explanation. Okay, let's start today's class, that is the etc passwd. To run effectively this file, we should aware of few things. Those are as in QL1. Let's go to there. QL1. Yes, those are types of users and types of groups. Some commands related to user and group management, like that user add command to create the user accounts. After that, group add command to create the groups. Passwd to set the password for a user account, and some small commands like vi, cnu. Okay, vi, we already know that it is the editor. Okay, vi editor, and cnu is to set the line numbers to in a file, and some files, configuration files related to etc passwd, and those are the etc shadow group file, etc group. These are all located in etc folder, understand. And login definition file, it is the most important file. This is the baseline for this passwd shadow file, group, g shadow. Okay, one more is the scale file. Okay, we will learn all these things when we required. Okay, next. Okay, just open that file. etc passwd is the command for opening the file. Okay, and let's see the document. What is this file? Yeah, it is for passwd file. It contains basic information of every user account. Okay, at the top we find the root user information. In the middle we get the regular user account. In the middle, service user account. Okay, what are these root account, regular and service accounts? Let's see. See, the root account means that is the administrative accounts. Actually, there are three types of user accounts in Red Hat Linux. One is the administrative account, that is also called as the root account. It is installed automatically when OS installed, and uh, it has all privileges, means full permission on the computer, means all the services. And another type account is regular or local user account. It is manually created by administrator or the root. Administrator means who has the privileges, root privileges, they can create the user accounts. And one more account, and these local user accounts having the less privileges in compared to our administrative account. Administrative account means same as in administrator in Windows. In Linux it is called as the root. And regular means normal users which we create. These are having less privileges, they can access their home directory and some applications. And service accounts, automatically, these also automatically created when an operating system or a service is installed. It is interface between the user and OS with that particular service. What is the main difference between means? We can log in by root and regular user accounts, but we can't log in by service accounts. We can use these two accounts to log into the system. We can't log in using these service accounts. That is the one security reason. I'll explain later. Okay, let's see the file now. I'm going to insert the number. Yes, this is the first line. we find the this is the name root, means it is the information of root in the first row. Okay, let's see the document. It has next point, it has 7 columns and each column separated by colon. See, in the first row we get the information about the root. The first column what is tells user login name. See the 7 columns information. First column is the user login name, second column is the password, and the third column is user ID, fourth column GID, and fifth column user information, sixth column home directory, and seventh column is the login shell. Where are the columns? You are thinking, right? This is the first column. When this colon is the right, before and after colon there is a one column. This is the second column. After this column, next column starts. This is the third column. Here ends and starts again. Fourth. This is the fifth. Okay. This is sixth, and this is the seventh column. Yeah. In the what is the first column? First column denotes the represents the user login name. Okay. Go to end of this file. Press the caps and G. This is the 36th line. At the end we get the regular user account information. Still we didn't create any regular user account, so it's not available. Let's create an user account using the command user add space any username which is easy to remember, user1. So I created one user account. Let's see the changes in the file. It is a passwd. Go to the end of the line, that is 36th that time. Now see what is the page number, line number. Now 37th means new user account is found at 37th line. Any user accounts which we create, those are comes at the end of that file. So what are the accounts between these regular user accounts and the root account? The first line is the root account, right? And end of the line we get the user account, regular user accounts. Between the accounts available, those are called the service accounts, which are automatically created when OS or the service installing. Okay, see, this is about the first column. Let's see the second column. Go to the root information. The second column here shows X, and go to the our regular user account also. It shows the second column X, means this is the giving the information about the password file. Second column password is denoted by X. What is X represents means that X represents the password of that user account is stored in somewhere or in some other files for security purpose. Let's see what is that file. Which is that file? Q exit. That file name is /etc shadow. Yeah, here also it contains nearly 8 columns. The first column gives information about the user login name. Second column is the password. For root user, it contains the password in encrypted form here. Every user's password will be in encrypted form only. Let's see what is the information in second column for account which we created. At the end, user1. See the second column. This is the first column, means this is the second column. Shows 2 exclamatory symbols. For these service accounts also 2 exclamatory symbols, means password is not set for those user accounts. Understand? Some user accounts having the asterisks, maybe account may be disabled. Okay, yeah. Let's see what will happen if we set the password to the user1. Set the password using the command passwd username user1. Enter. Yes, I set the password. All authentication tokens updated successfully means password has been set. Now let's see the changes in that file. It is a shadow. Go to the end of the line. Yeah. Now second column also contains for user 1 sim random, a group of random numbers and letters symbols, which is means password is stored in encrypted form. Understand? Yes. When we set the password will be stored in separate file in encrypted form. Okay. Now go to the third column. Just clear the screen. Oh, sorry. CNAR clear. Just go to the third column of that file, VTC, our concept topic file, PASSWD, enter. Yes. So this is the first column, come over, username. Second column represents the password. What is the third column? Third and fourth columns. This represents the UID and GID. This is called UID. This is GID. For root user, what is the UID means? User identification ID. Okay. This is the unique number for every user account assigned in Linux, and GID also unique number to that group. Actually, what happened in Linux when an user account is created? Well, let's see the study the type of groups now. Otherwise, go to QL3. Types of groups. One is private groups, and another groups are custom groups. Private groups means these are automatically created when an user account create by user add command. That group name is identical to user's name. Yeah. So where is the root name here? It is not available here, right? Let's see the root number which is stored in another file called UTC group. Yes. Yeah. This is the group name. Whatever user accounts we create, same group name will be created in etc group file. Okay. Which file? etc group file. So this is the etc group file, and go to the end of this line which we account created, right? Well, see here, same name also here represents, shows here. This file contains only 4 columns. One column, second, third, this is the fourth. At the end it will show the members. There are no members for this user, so it is not showing. See here is a fourth column, hell domain, whole daemon, there is a one member. Understand? Yes. So in Linux, when we create any user account, there is a group automatically created in group file. For that group also, there is ID will be associated automatically, which is same as UID. Understand? Okay. Let's see the on again the what is the UID GID for our regular user account which we created now. For root it is 0, UID 0, GID also 0. For our account user 1 it is showing UID 500, GID 500. See here both are same. For every user the UID and GID will be same. Okay. For regular user accounts it starts from 500. For root it is 0.